As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Weber Summit S-470. What do you think?
Well, right off the bat, there's a huge difference in size and price. The Charbroil is a small, portable grill, and the Weber is a full-sized, high-end grill.
Yeah, the Charbroil is only like $150, and the Weber is, over $2,000. But let's talk specs. The Charbroil has 200 square inches of cooking space and a single 9,500 BTU burner.
Okay. And the Weber boasts 580 square inches, 4 main burners putting out 48,800 BTUs, plus a side burner, sear burner, smoker burner, and rotisserie burner. It's a grilling powerhouse.
Wow, that's a lot of burners. So the Weber is definitely for someone who grills a lot?
Absolutely. It's for the serious griller who wants all the bells and whistles. The Charbroil is more for tailgating or camping, a quick burger on the go.
Makes sense. The Charbroil uses TRU-Infrared cooking to prevent flare-ups. Is that a big deal?
It can be nice. TRU-Infrared is supposed to distribute heat more evenly and prevent drying out your food. The Weber uses flavorizer bars to catch drippings and add flavor, which also helps prevent flare-ups.
So both try to tackle flare-ups, just in different ways. What about the materials?
The Charbroil has porcelain-coated steel grates, while the Weber uses stainless steel rod cooking grates, which are super durable. The Weber also has stainless steel flavorizer bars and a stainless steel shroud. It's built to last.
Okay, so Weber is investing in quality. I see the Charbroil weighs only 20 pounds. Easy to carry around.
Exactly. The Weber, on the other hand, also weighs 20 pounds, but it's not meant to be carried around. It's a stay-in-place grill. It has an enclosed cart and casters for moving it around your patio.
And the Weber even has lighted control knobs and a built-in thermometer. Fancy.
It's all about the experience with the Weber. It's like comparing a compact car to a luxury SUV. Both get you from point A to point B, but the journey is very different.
Got it. So if I just want a simple, portable grill for occasional use, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 is the way to go. But if I'm a grilling enthusiast who wants all the features and power, and I'm willing to shell out the money, the Weber Summit S-470 is the ultimate choice.
Precisely.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.